You have PLR that you've gotten from me or from somebody else. Odds are good if you've been on my list for a while, you do. Everybody does. Now, I do happen to make very good use of PLR. I am a big fan of PLR, and I know a lot of you love getting PLR, but a lot of you don't actually make use of your PLR. And that is a crying shame. So, what we're going to do is we're going to change all that today. And it's only going to cost you $5 lousy dollars. Seriously. Plus, I'm going to give you 5 of my own courses as a bonus. So you're basically getting 5 of my own courses for $5 with PLR, of course. And the whole thing is going to cost you $5. It's going to change your life if you have any kind of PLR. If you don't, you're getting some from me. You're going to get some from these guys also. I'll tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Secret PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as the crappy bagels that I bought in Pittsburgh. I was in Pittsburgh over the weekend and had a lovely time. And you know me, I love me my bagels, but nothing compares to a New York bagel. But seriously, anyway, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products and make money on my niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap. Okay, seriously, Bart. Seriously, you know, I had a nice break from you while I was in Pittsburgh. It's getting kind of old. Okay, seriously, enough. Pittsburgh, a lovely city, by the way. Really, really quite a lot of fun. I visited the Strip District down there. So many cool restaurants and cool shops. It was a blast. I was kind of there on business, so I didn't really have that much time to look around, but great city. Really liked it. But anyhow, so but seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it tip as a product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. Who could get angry at Liz? She's a fellow New Yorker, you know? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Your fact to subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for hidden PLR. This is from my friend Nick James. Now, Nick is one of the top people in PLR. He's been publishing tons and tons of PLR for a very long time, and I am shocked that he's going to give this thing to you at $5. Now, to be fair, it's a dime sale, so every time somebody buys, it does go up by I think a penny. So the sooner you get in, the closer you're going to be to the $5. I can tell you right now, I was so impressed with this thing. I am personally buying myself a copy for $5 or whatever it is when I managed to buy it. Obviously, it's not for sale yet, so I can't actually buy it as I'm recording this video. It is still not for sale, but I will tell you I am planning on buying it. I'm going to show you what you get in just a moment. But first, I do want to tell you about my own custom bonus because I have one of the best custom bonuses that you're ever going to see. And this one's going to be kind of interesting, actually. I've never done something like this before, and we're going to try it out and see how things go. So here's the deal. First of all, everybody who picks this thing up from me, getting 5 of my own courses. These are not PDFs. These are not cheap junk. These are actual courses that I've created myself. You can see the list below this video. You'll be able to see exactly what you're getting from me with your base package. Now, if you pick up any upgrade to this package, okay, pick up any upgrade to the package, and I'm going to give you PLR to my own email success secrets, my original email success secrets course. You get any upgrade. The only catch is if you pick up the $1 trial upgrade, then you have to wait until the rebuild before you get the email success secrets, because we get like 25 cents, and I'm not giving you the thing for 25 cents that we get. Obviously, we do have we run a business, and so anyway. Beyond that, though, I am doing something a little bit different than I've ever done before. So here's the deal. What I decided to do is I've in the past sold solo ad clicks on my to my own list, and I usually charge 90 cents per click. Okay, and what that means basically is that I will send out an email to my own list with whatever free offer that you have. Okay. Um, and you just tell me what it is you want, and we're gonna, if you don't have something, we'll put something together for you. So I charge 90 cents per click for this package. So basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give away to the people who pick this up for $5. I'm gonna give away one free 100-click solo ad. That means a $90 value. Something that this is literally, it's $90 out of my own pocket, because this is when I give this to somebody, I cannot go out and you know promote something else, because I will be mailing until we get to that 100 clicks that I've promised you. So you're going to be getting 100 clicks. They'll be tracked, obviously, um, and it's a $90 value. All right. Now, I'm going to give it away to one person who buys this thing. If you pick up any upgrade, you get even the $1 trial, you get a second entry. All right. Basically, the more stuff you buy from me on this thing, the more entries you have to win this $90 um, solo ad campaign. I have never ever done something like this before. I don't know how it's going to work out. If for some reason this thing is a flop and we do 3 sales, then there's going to be 3 people entered. And if there's 3 sales from one person, then that person is automatically getting the thing. I don't think it's going to happen. We'd like to see a significant number of people. We are going to limit this to the first 50 sales, though, so that everybody has a fair chance. And of course, if you do pick up, 4 upgrades, then you get 5 entries. That means you've taken away 5 of the first 50 uh, entry slots for this solo ad campaign, which is worth $90. Okay, and you get it completely, totally for free. As my bonus with this thing, one person is going to get it. In order to enter, all you have to do is purchase, and you're going to send your receipt to me, to my support staff. There'll be a link in the bonus document. Send a link to the support staff, showing your receipt, because we need to see your receipt, and then a receipt for any upgrades, and you get one entry up to the first 50 people, or first 50 purchases rather, because if there's more than one, if you pick up an upgrade, you get another entry. Up to the first 50 will be entered into this solo ad competition, that one person is going to win a 100-click solo ad worth $90. All right. So again, just so we're clear, I'll show you what you get in just a minute. It's a download, so I can't show you the members area. That's why I have it open on my browser. Again, you pick this up from me for $5 or $5.05 or whatever it is at the time that you're watching this video. You're automatically getting from me 5 of my own courses with full PLR that you have the right to sell, give away, rebrand them. And yes, you can even mention that they were made by me, which is a big deal, because it's very, very, very rare when you get PLR. Most PLR, you're not allowed to say who created it. In this case, yes, you are allowed to say who created it. You can say it's from Eric Hammer, from the Man in the Hat, and not to toot my own horn, but I'm a pretty well-known, well-respected name in this industry, and so it does make a difference when when you're using my stuff as your PLR, as opposed to something random that nobody's ever heard of, because nobody knows who you are. Use my stuff, you do get that cachet. Again, not to toot my own horn, I don't like to do that. I'm just saying realistically, when you're in a position where you're winning contests, sales contests on a regular basis, and you make your full-time living from this business, then you're somebody that people want to hear from. And not that I'm anybody special, but the reality is that it does make a difference. So that's number one, and that's just with a basic product, $5 or whatever it is when you pick it up. The sooner you buy, the cheaper it's going to be because it is on a dime sale. The second thing that you're going to get from me, pick up any upgrade, with the exception of the $1 trial. Pick up the $1 trial is fine, but you got to wait for at least one rebill before you get this. Before you get this bonus, you're going to get my original email success secrets course. This is my one of my best-selling courses of all time. People love the course. You're going to get PLR to my original email success secrets course when you pick up any upgrade. If you pick up the $1 trial, you have to wait until the rebill, and then you get the free PLR to email success secrets. Okay. And on top of that, everybody who purchases any purchase you make, every purchase you make gets you enter the first 50 only for a competition for a 100 click solo ad. So let me show you real quick what's included. As I said, it's a download, so I can't show you the members area. But basically, you're going to get the video. You get the transcript so you can actually read it. I know some people have trouble with videos because English may not be your first language. So you have the transcript, and this is really cool. This is why I'm actually buying it, because of the fact that you get the 7 bonus um, PLR courses included for free. And if you give me good PLR, I'm always going to buy good PLR because I put it to good use. I use a lot of PLR in my business, and for $5 for 7 additional PLR courses, to me that was a no-brainer. But of course, I want to make it an even bigger no-brainer, which is why I'm giving you my additional bonuses. So let's see if I am going to give a tip man to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. Okay, seriously, this one is cool. For $5, you really can't go wrong. You add to your PLR library, which is always useful, and you're going to get basically a dozen PLR courses included, including the 7 from Nick plus 5 from me. So you get a dozen total for $5. Okay, that's like less than 50 cents per piece. All right, you're going to get all of those things included for $5, and pick up any upgrade. Again, you're going to be able to get access to the PLR of email success secrets, and of course, if everybody gets entered into my raffle, I suppose you would call it, for a 100 click solo ad, which is worth $90. So yeah, go ahead and grab this one. This one is just such a no-brainer.